My name is Manaswini. I'm studying in Saplat Chemistry School. Now I'm studying about science and its importance. What is science? The systematic study of natural world through observation and experiments is known as science. Science. Science is divided into two branches. There are physical science, life science. Physical science, study of non-living things. Physical, life science, study of living things. Physical science is divided into three branches. There are physics, chemistry, geology. Physics, study of matter, energy, and their interactions. Chemistry, study of composition of matter. Geology, study of plants and life science is divided into two branches. There are botany, zoology. Botany, study of plants.